Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get free stocks in the Robinhood investing app that could be valued up to $500. Okay, so here we are in the Robinhood investing app, and I'm going to show you guys how to get free stocks. So I have a link down in the description, and if you click that and you sign up for Robinhood, basically I have a few more invites that I can do. I think 3 more invites. So the first 3 people that do that, they will be able to get a free stock. You can see on the bottom it says get a free stock, give a free stock. So one person already clicked my link, they signed up, they got a free stock, I got a free stock. You can see that's why I have this jump here in my chart. And here's the stock that I got, LLNW. So it gave me a free $5.30 stock. So I could sell this, get $5.30 in my account, and then just send that to my bank account if I don't want to do stocks or whatever. It's just a free $5.30. But basically when you sign up, it's going to show you like 3 little gift boxes, and then you tap on one of those and then it's going to give you the free stock. And it could be a stock worth up to $500. So you can get Apple, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, GE, Ford, any of these. It says the chances right here. So 1 in 250 or 1 in 150. And it actually looks like you can invite unlimited amounts of people. So I have a few more. If you sign up with my link, you're going to get a free stock as well. But then you guys can invite people as well, and you'll get free stocks when they sign up. And to get your link, you just tap share link on the bottom. And then you can tap copy on the bottom of this screen again, and that's just going to copy the link and you can send it to anyone that you want. And I'll drop mine down in the description. So you can click that, sign up, you'll get a free stock right away. And it could be worth up to $500. But that's how you do it. It's a nice little perk, nice way to get started, nice little bonus for inviting your friends. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one and more tutorials in the investment space. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past.